We are preparing for our NextGem single-cell gene expression HT experiment with feature barcode technology. There are 6 different user guides available for the Chromium NextGem single-cell 3' HT reagent kits v3.1 dual index. Please select the appropriate user guide for your experiment. The Chromium NextGem single-cell 3' HT gem kit v3.1 is stored at -20 degrees Celsius and contains RT reagent B, RT enzyme C, template switch oligo, reducing agent B, cleanup buffer, cDNA primers, and AMP mix. The library construction kit is also stored at -20 degrees Celsius and contains fragmentation enzyme, fragmentation buffer, ligation buffer, DNA ligase, adapter oligos, and AMP mix. The Chromium NextGem single-cell 3' HT gel bead kit v3.1 is stored at -80 degrees Celsius. The Dynabeads My1 silane are stored at 4 degrees Celsius. If you plan to perform one of the feature barcode technology workflows, you will need the 3' feature barcode kit, which is stored at -20 degrees Celsius and contains feature cDNA primers 1, feature cDNA primers 2, feature cDNA primers 3, feature Si primers 3, and AMP mix. If you plan to perform one of the cell multiplexing workflows, you will need the 3' CellPlex kit set A, which is stored at -20 degrees Celsius and contains the cell multiplexing oligos. The Chromium NextGem Chip M single-cell kit is stored at ambient temperature and contains partitioning oil, recovery agent, NextGem Chip M, and gaskets. Finally, we have the dual index plate TT set A, the dual index plate NN set A, and the dual index plate NT set A. We have all of our reagent kits ready. Next, we are going to prepare the master mix.